Hello everyone! For those of you who haven't seen my videos before, welcome to Coding Tuts. You're going to learn so much from this course. For those who are back with more fun lessons, welcome back. If you are satisfied with my videos and it is helping you out, please do not forget to subscribe to my page and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates. With that being said, let's get started. On this lesson, I will be teaching HTML forms and how to apply the CSS towards it. So what I'm going to do is to create a form that looks just like this. So I go into my forms.html and go here. Okay, my form. So the first tag I'm going to add is form, then table, tbody, and tr, td. Table row, table data, table body, table and form. In the form, I'll give it an ID of my form. Can name it anything you want. And the action, I'll put form processor PHP. Now this is a page where all your answers from this form will go towards. So let's say I fill out this contact form. All the answers that are submitted from this form will go into the form processor.php. I will explain more on PHP, which is a backend, in a later tutorial. But for right now, I want you to focus on the form, how to create a form. I'll also give this table an ID of my form. Let's give it a cell padding, CSS part. And in this table data, let's put a label of first name, another table data, input, I'll put a name of first name. You must always put names and IDs in input, it's a good habit to have. Because you're going to be using names later on when you do PHP. You're going to need IDs for JavaScript. Let's see how this looks. Oops. I'll open this in Chrome. I'm more comfortable with that. Now here I'll put input type email. There's that too. Chat box. I'm trying to remember how I did this in school. Let's see. Um, Here we go. Okay, so if I want to put a border on a table within a form, I put border 1 pixels. Even though it looks red, it'll work. Okay, so browser. I'm not gonna copy everything off of here. I'll say now what I want to do with this one is to bring it out more so that I want this to fill the whole box. There we go. So if you want to expand one cell and make it as big as many cells, you put col span 2, taking up two, taking up as much as 2 columns. That's col span. Same as row span, but in rows. And I want this text area 100%. Okay, what's going on here? So big. Go to my CSS. Okay. I like to add the submit button in separate table row. TD. Input type submit value submit. First there. Table data. Com span 2 cells. Okay. And now I like to adjust the width of this input, so I'll put in my CSS. I'll give it an ID of submit form. And there we go. I like to change the font size, so let's get into more of the CSS. Font size. Let's go with 0.8 rem. Don't work, okay. Let's try input. No? Okay. There we go. So let's put input ID submit form. Let's put this form in the center. So to do that, I put form, the tag name, and I put margin 0 auto. Huh? Oh, table. Okay. So you put on a table instead, since a table shows the margin on the right, the orange section. Table. There we go. I like to center the H1. All right. Let's color the page. Background color. Let's give it a really light gray. You could also color the inputs too. In fact, I can also add tags in here. Body input text area. Nice. And let's change this too. It's too small. Okay, I'll try 99. Let's go to inspector. Okay, 98. I want this in one line. So I go here, input. Oh, it's being a block element. Oh, okay. So the reason why this input is pushing down this label is because I changed all of the input tags to 98%. So what I'm gonna do is change input offer for the checkboxes. I could actually do this too. Input type checkbox with it's a little small. Let's give it okay, this is good. Nice. Let's change the font family too. So, yeah, let's change it on this font family. Still sans serif. Nice. Semi-offers, subscribe me. Okay, so here are my answers for the form. And again, once you click submit, it'll go to this form processor PHP page, which is a backend. Now the font is a little small. I want to change its size. Let's see. Size. Okay, that's a little better. You can also set your inputs as required fields. It's required. I want the names to be required fields and the email. Please fill out this field. That means it's a required field. And there's a form processor as you press submit. So this is how you create an HTML form and add CSS towards it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type it up in the comment section below, and I will see you in a later tutorial.